everyone, it's your realtor Casey Crespo with Empire Home Realty. Welcome to 14 Yardley Lane. Let's take a look.
Hello there, come on in.
This is the Colonial one family house, complete new kitchen with granite countertops and top of the line stainless steel appliances. This home has 4 bedrooms, 1.5 bathroom, spacious house with wooden floors, new sliding, new boiler, new gutters, and new wooden deck.